How do pop-up coffee stands make blended coffee drinks? They usually combine chilled coffee, milk, sweetener, ice, and flavoring in a high-powered blender, then blend everything until smooth. First, the stand prepares strong coffee or espresso and cools it before blending, because hot coffee can melt the ice too quickly and make the drink watery. The coffee is often made stronger than normal since ice, milk, and syrup will weaken its flavor. The worker adds the liquid first, followed by sweetener, flavor syrup, and ice, which helps the blender mix the ingredients more evenly. Some stands use powdered coffee mixes or ready-made chilled coffee to save time and keep every drink tasting the same. A small amount of thickener, such as a commercial smoothie base, can make the drink creamier and help keep the ice from separating. The blender runs at high speed until the ice becomes very small, but blending too long can warm the drink and create a thin texture. A useful trick is to use ice made from coffee instead of water, because it keeps the flavor strong as the ice melts. Workers also measure ingredients carefully, since even a little extra syrup or ice can change the drink's sweetness and thickness. One common mistake is using hot coffee with ice, which causes fast melting, so chill the coffee first or use coffee ice cubes. Another mistake is adding too much ice, which produces a thick but bland drink, so increase the coffee or milk instead of guessing. Some people also assume whipped cream makes the drink blended, but it is only a topping, so focus on the coffee, liquid, flavoring, and ice mixture. Clean the blender between different flavors, especially nut-based ones, because leftover ingredients can cause allergy problems. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.